Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. Today we will present our presentation about oral test. Before we start presentation, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Putri Intan Aulia as moderator and speaker, and Rosmatisa Reza Eliza Rana Zafira as speaker. The first material concept of oral test. Oral tests are a form of assessment that requires students to respond to questions or prompts orally. Oral tests can be used to assess a variety of skills. First, knowledge. Oral tests can be used to assess student knowledge of a particular topic. For example, a teacher might ask students to explain the cause of the American Civil War. The second, understanding. Oral tests can also be used to assess student understanding of a particular topic. For example, a teacher might ask students to answer questions about the plot of a novel. The third, application. Oral tests can be used to assess student ability to apply their knowledge to new situation. For example, a teacher might ask students to solve a math problem using a new formula. And the last, communication. Oral tests can also be used to assess student communication skill. For example, a teacher might ask students to give a presentation on a topic of their choice.
Thank you for moderator. And the next material, oral tests have several advantages over other forms of assessment. First, they can provide a more accurate assessment of students' knowledge and skills. This is because oral tests allow teachers to see how students think and reason. Second, oral tests can be more engaging for students. This is because oral tests allow students to interact with the teacher and other students. Third, oral tests can be more authentic. And the next, oral tests also have some disadvantages. First, they can be more time-consuming to administer than other forms of assessment. Second, oral tests can be more subjective than other forms of assessment. This is because teachers' judgment of students' response can be influenced by their own biases. Third, oral tests can be more difficult to prepare for than other forms of assessment. This is because students need to practice their speaking skills in order to perform well on oral tests. Thank you.
The next material is the accuracy of the design of an oral test instrument can be seen from several aspects. The first aspect is content aspect. The accuracy of the design on oral test instrument from the content aspect can be seen from the suitability of the question or topic asked with the material that has been learned. Number 2 is language aspect. The accuracy of the design of an oral test instrument from the language aspect can be seen from the clarity and readability of the question or topic asked. And the last aspect is technical aspect. The accuracy of the design of an oral test instrument from the technical aspect can be seen from the completeness of the instrument, such as the test grid, assessment guide, and assessment rubric. The instrument must also be arranged neatly and easily read.
Okay, the next material about the clarity of the oral test take. The oral test take can be seen from several aspects. One aspect, preparation aspect. The accuracy and completeness of the preparation of the oral test can be seen from the rightness of the examiner and the test taker. Aspek pertama itu aspek persiapan. Kecermatan dan kelengkapan persiapan tes lisan dapat dilihat dari kesiapan penguji dan peserta tes. For example, the examiner prepares oral test instrument that is in accordance with the purpose of the test. Next, the test taker prepare themselves by studying the material to be tested. Next aspect, implementation aspect. The clear implementation of the oral test can be seen from the clarity of the instruction given by the examiner as well as the compatibility between the instruction and the oral test instrument. Aspek selanjutnya itu aspek pelaksanaan. Keterlaksanaan tes lisan yang jelas dapat dilihat dari kejelasan instruksi yang diberikan oleh penguji, serta kesesuaian antara instruksi dengan instrumen tes lisan. For example, the examiner gives instruction to the test taker and the test taker answer question or complete task given by the examiner. Next aspect, assessment aspect. The accuracy of the oral test assessment can be seen from the compatibility between the assessment criteria and the oral test instrument. The examiner must use clear and objective assessment criteria. Aspek selanjutnya itu aspek penilaian. Ketepatan penilaian tes lisan dapat dilihat dari kesesuaian antara kriteria penilaian dengan instrumen tes lisan. Penguji harus menggunakan kriteria penilaian yang jelas dan objektif. For example, the examiner use assessment criteria to assess the answer or what of the test taker. Next, the examiner gives score to the test taker based on the assessment result. Okay, thank you.
Okay, that's all about our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.